Cheers! In this video you will learn how to install a K&N performance air filter in your Volkswagen Golf 4 1.4 liter. So sit back and enjoy. If you're only searching for the sound comparison, please skip to the end of the video. This is the package you'll get when you order with the Amazon link in the description. The aim of the filter is to improve the airflow, which the company claims will make your engine perform better. But my main reason for buying it is that it's washable and improves the sound of your engine. Besides the filter, there's nothing too interesting in the package. Just some instructions which we don't need and some stickers. Let's get to installing it. First step is of course to pop the hood. Then start by unscrewing the upper plastic engine cover. It makes sense to loosen this screw at the bottom as well. Now continue by unscrewing the cover of the air filter box. Disconnect and unclamp this hose, and then you're ready to remove the cover of the air filter box. In my case, the air filter was stuck onto it. Be sure to wipe down the inside of the air filter box. Watch out that there's no dirt coming onto the clean section of it, because if so, your engine will eat the dirt. When you're finished cleaning, install the new air filter. It is very important that the rubber sealing is placed firmly. If it is not installed in the right way, your engine will suck uncleaned air, so take your time. And voila, this is how it should look. Now you just have to reassemble everything again, starting with the lid of the air filter box. Pop the hose back on and secure it in place. Now tighten the engine cover, then you're almost finished. Now coming to the last two important steps. First one is to add the sticker, which will add at least 20 horsepower. Second and last is to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I promise this will make your car even faster. Now you're done, so let's go for a ride.